Hello folks, in my previous videos I have given the information about the Tier 1 graduate category, and which was changed on 29th of March 2019 to the new two visa categories, which was the Startup Visa and the Innovator Visa. In my previous video I have given the information that how you can open a Startup Visa category or how you can get the Startup Visa category. When you're talking about the Innovator Visa category, which is basically for the much more experienced businessmen who are having the previous business category, this program is intended for those people specifically. The Startup category and the Innovator category both require the endorsement of the business plan. Now, the endorsement of the business plan has been authorized to around 21 companies, well-reputed 21 companies in United Kingdom, which was done, endorsement was done before by the government themselves, but now the companies has given this authorization who are very patent and very reputable in United Kingdom. They will be endorsing your business plan before moving ahead. As well as the endorsement, applicants will need to have 50,000 British pound to invest in their business from the legitimate resources, which is extendable which is basically changed from 200,000 UK pounds to 50,000. So this is a new innovative category. In this category, the funding requirements will be waived for those who are changing from the Startup Visa to the Innovator Visa. As I explained in my previous video, that the Startup Visa was for 2 years and the Innovator Visa is now for 3 years. So if you are already having the Startup Visa and you have shown the significant improvement or the growth in your business, you can move from Startup to the Innovative without any problem which you normally will have or requirements which you will have to get straight away into the Innovator Visas. In fact, when you are applying for the Innovator Visas, yes, it is requiring 50,000 British pound. It requires the endorsement of the business plan, but at the same time you have to have the job creations for starting with 2 British nationals until the 10 British nationals in the total 3 years. So that's why these requirements as compared to Startup category are more and people are intending or going for the Startup Visa more. Now and obviously when you have the experience in the business category, you are meeting all the categories of the Innovative Visas, definitely you will have the ultimate settlement in UK. If you have any questions, you can ask me. We have the sources who can help you to start up a company in UK with the new categories which are less asking less funding, and you will have the bright future for your families. Thank you.